we have a very nice relationship, as in he is actually very very fun on set and he is very helpful. I am sitting here can say अरे ये influencer कौन है, रील बनाते हैं. I cannot, मैं नहीं बना सकती रील यार, मुझसे नहीं बनते हैं, मुझसे नहीं होता है get ready with me or dance with me or see my thing. I cannot do it.
We're talking about the preconceived notions. So a lot of fans and a lot of people, they have this perception that Manoj Bajpayee is a very serious man on the sets and behind, like on screen and off screen also. But I've interviewed him personally and he's such a fun soul. So I want to know
He
that
is.
सिर्फ एक बंदा की आपकी क्या memories हैं, and how has been the experience of working with him?
I have worked with him in actually 3 things now. I did
Yeah.
Missing with him. Then I did a short film. Abhishek Chaubey की एक short film है. That I did. And then this banda I did. We have a very nice relationship, as in he's actually very very fun on set and he's very helpful. Like I would go to him and I would ask him, is it working, is it not working, and I would tell, please tell if it's not working, huh? Because he's such a senior actor, why would you would want to take his advice, na? Like if he's on set, I would want to take that फायदा. Sir, कुछ अगर गलत हो या सुर ऊंचा नीचा हो, of course, give me, teach me. I want all the lessons. So yeah, he's a very very, and you know what? He's very hard.
He's very hardworking,
I've seen him in Banda. His last speech, he's been preparing it for so long. All these actors, I'm telling you, they do their homework. I've seen them. They're never not prepared. Vidya, Manoj sir, they're never not prepared. They're always done with what they always come prepared that this is the for the बंदा की जो लास्ट स्पीच है मनोज सर की बड़ी वाली, उसके लिए वो 1 महीने से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे. Like he was on it. Yeah.
So if we talk about nowadays, so what we have observed is that the influencers and the people with more followers are getting casted in the TV shows, in the OTT space also we have observed that. So कितना justice है ये उन actors के लिए, theater actors के लिए जो बहुत मेहनत करते हैं दिन रात, that followers के basis पर लोगों का चयन हो रहा है?
See, to each its own. I mean, I cannot take the decision for somebody. So, if you ask me this, I really don't have an answer. Because I feel, see, everybody is putting an effort now. Matlab that influencer, see, making reels is not easy.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I am sitting here can say अरे ये influencer कौन है, रील बनाते हैं. I cannot, मैं नहीं बना सकती रील यार, मुझसे नहीं बनते हैं, मुझसे नहीं होता है get ready with me or dance with me or see my thing. I cannot do it. So it is also an art. Like not everybody can do it ना. मतलब अगर कर सकते तो मैं भी अपने followers अगर रील से बन रहे हैं and you think that is up in the market, make it ना. But I cannot. So I want to give it to them also. It's tough business to be an influencer and to engage with so many people and to entertain them and to have that kind of traffic on your page is not easy. It is difficult. So if they are doing it with their own mehnat, even they don't have godfathers ना, so वो भी अपनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं. So अगर वो भी अपनी मेहनत से कर रहे हैं और उनके फॉलोअर्स हैं और अगर प्रोड्यूसर्स और डायरेक्टर्स को ये लगता है कि इनको लेके बनाना चाहिए, so please go ahead, आप उनको लेके बनाइए.